makes, girls, classes. All of these words have an S ending, but the S ending is pronounced differently in each word. Ugh, the English S ending is frustrating. With all these different pronunciations, how are you supposed to know which pronunciation to use? Have no fear, this video will make it easy. Here's the third pronunciation rule. When a word ends in any of the 6 following sounds, s, z, sh, zh, ch, and j, and then when you add the S ending, you add the letters ES to the spelling and you pronounce it as its own syllable, is. So the word class becomes classes. Church becomes churches. Push becomes pushes. And now you know when to pronounce the S ending as its own syllable, is.